that the cabinet has decided to make Dharwad, which is known as a cultural capital of Karnataka, which has a great Karnataka, which is the one which has gave a call of integration of Karnataka. That Dharwad will be made a separate corporation. That is one. And uh, the government has decided, and we have given administrative approval for increase of 15% of rates, ticket prices to be enhanced, raised. And 15% is raised because of the deficit that the corporation was facing, all the corporations were facing. And with this increase, there will be some sort of a return of 74.84 crores every month. This increase will give 74.85 crores every month. This will try to um, reduce the losses that those nigams, corporations were suffering. And this enhancement has come, particularly in Bangalore, BTS, after 10 years. And it is also to be made very clear that even in other nigams, the enhancement of rate was made 5 years back when the rate of diesel was somewhere around 68 rupees. Now it is 90 plus. Such a situation, because of the diesel hike, because of the salary hike, etc., the government has given permission to increase the rate